Video cameras. Right, let's write. Grade 8. Write the Sinhala meaning and English. Yes, write the Sinhala meaning and the English word. Write the Sinhala meaning and the English word. Some of you still have not turned on your video cameras. If the camera is not working, then it's okay. Situka netuka.
ටීචර් මට ඩික්ටේෂන් දෙන දවසේ එන්න බැරි වුණානේ.
But you can see the video. And your dictation is in the group. The photo is there. That is not an excuse. මතක තියාගන්න online class එකට එන්න බැරි වුණා කියලා දෙයක් නැහැ. Online class means anytime. After 2 or 3 days, I will send the video. So anytime you can watch the class.
නෑ ටීචර් 100 නැති වෙලා එහෙ ඉඳී.
ඉතින් ඔයාලට ෆෝන් එකක් තිබුණා නම් දැන් because of the new technology, even if you are in America, you can join to our class, no? Right, මම කියන්නේ class time එකේදී ඔයාලට මල ගෙදර තිබුණායි කියම ප්‍රශ්නෙන් ගිය සතියේ මටත් class එක කරගන්න බැරි නම් මටත් මල ගෙයක් තිබුණා. But after 2 or 3 days දැන් අද උදේ හරි ඔයාලට class එකේ recording එක බලන්න තිබුණානේ. Right, it's okay. Later practice your dictation and write yourself. පස්සේ ඔයා පාඩම් කරලා ලියලා අම්මට පෙන්නලා right mark දාගන්න.
හා ටීචර්.
Teacher, Asahara finish.
Right, please double check everyone. Please double check your dictation.
Okay, teacher.
ජනිත left වෙලා තිබුණා නේද ආපහු group එකෙන්? Children, if you are finished writing, you can raise your hand. No need to shout, finish writing, finish writing. ජනිත group එකෙන් left වෙලා තිබුණා. දැන් මට
Video off කරගන්න. Finish video off කරගන්න.
Yes, of course, you can turn off your video after writing. Lituka, are you finished writing? Lituka helapiyum.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then you can raise your hand. Right, everyone, please double check.
Teacher, finish writing.
Right, Dulita.
Timira finish writing, teacher.
Okay, hands up, that's enough.
Finish writing.
Raise your hand. No need to shout. මනට හොයාගන්න raise hand කියලා මේ විදියට තියෙන icon එකක් හොයාගන්න. Right, no need to shout. There are 18 finish. Tavindu, are you still writing dictation? Sehas?
Dictation लिहिली. Finish writing.
Finish writing, then you have to hands up. Right, who is this number? No, what is this name? K. Right, I think we can mark dictation now. Product. Indeed. Certain. Zoology. Zoology. Flightless. Flight. Creature. Crest. Attitude. Available. Available. Conduct. Awareness program. Awareness program. Right? Double lengthy. So count and put your marks upon 12. Yes, sure. Take your time. Right? Don't shout before I read your name. Okay? Don't shout before I read your name. And also don't send messages before I read your name. I can't remember your marks. Right. Sajani.
Teacher.
How many marks, Sajani?
12, teacher.
12. Very good. Matisha.
10, teacher.
Okay. Sehas.
11, teacher.
11.
11.
Good. Pabasara.
11, teacher.
Good. Lutika Binath.
12.
12. Very good. Ishani.
12, teacher.
Very good. Binuri.
12, teacher.
Very good. Tavindu Tushan.
12, teacher.
12. Very good. Tashini. No. Rashmi.
12, teacher.
Right. Very good. Randi.
12.
Very good. Menuri. Right, for next week dictation, you can mark the other set in your writing book from migrant, ornithologist, able, steam, strange, thrash, behavior, way, throat, larvae, crustaceans, aggressive. There are a lot of words. No, cannot. Only 12. Mark only 12. Migrant, ornithologist, able, steam, strange, trash, behavior, way, throat, larvae, crustaceans, aggressive. Right, that's all. Not all the words, only 12.
ටීචර් කස්ට්‍රීස් කියන එකේ
Yes,
තේරුම්
I
පොඩ්ඩක්
will
කියන්න.
write the meaning. From migrant to aggressive kalahakari, and write the Sinhala meaning for crustacean sandhipadakayo. Right, crustacean sandhipadakayo. Like isso pokirisso wage kattiya. So migrant, migrant, ornithologist, ornithologist, able, steam, strange, trash, behavior, behavior, weibara, throat, larvae, crustaceans, aggressive, aggressive. Right. Okay. So today we can start a new lesson. Page number 12. Winged, friends. Winged. Sorry.
Teacher.
Tavidu. What's your question?
ටීචර් ඇක්ටිවිටි 1.9 මේ homework දුන්නා.
Activity 1.9. Do you mean the questions for the letter?
No, teacher.
Activity 1.9. Activity 1.9. Questions from the letter. No?
ටීචර් ලෙටර් එක ලියන්න එපා කිව්වා. අනිත් ප්‍රශ්න පහ ලියන්න කිව්වා.
ටීචර් ලෙටර් එක පන්තියේදී ලියන්න
Yes,
කිව්වා.
teacher.
අනිත් ප්‍රශ්න ටික මෙහෙදි මේ කරන්න කිව්වා. මේ ලෙටර් එක ක්ලාස් එකේදී කරලා.
Okay. Right. So we have to put right marks for the questions. Activity 9. Is it?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Okay. Then let's discuss that first. Activity 1.9. Where is Amita's pen friend from? What is Svetlana's country?
රෝසියා
Russia.
Russia.
Yes, from Russia. She is from Russia. You can put right marks in red pen. Number 2. What did Svetlana send to Amita?
Letter and the lovely photograph.
Yes, it's in the first paragraph. Letter and the lovely photographs. Letter and the lovely photographs.
excuse me teacher ඒකට teacher her letter and the lovely photographs කියලා තිබුණා.
Yes, no problem. Her letter and the lovely photographs. Thus. So So yes, no answer, right? Does that question neka? Does Svetlana love nature?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. You should write
Yes.
yes first. Then support your answer by copying the line. A line neka copy karana. What is the line?
I was so happy to know that you are a nature lover as I am.
Very good. Second paragraph, first line. I was so happy to know that. Second paragraph, first line. Happy to know that you are a nature lover as I am. Fourth question. What did Nature Club members do in February?
Organize a
A beach clean. Organized a beach cleanup.
Yes, organized a beach cleanup. This short answer is also correct. You can write the short answer, a beach cleanup. Also correct. Beach cleanup. What, sorry, did the members sell anything? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Give your reason.
Some people bought some of the eco-friendly products that were available there.
Yes, available means at tiyanava. Some people bought. Bought means miladi gatta. So miladi ganna nang etana tiyanna one. Eco-friendly products etana tibuna nisa tamai some people bought kale, right? So that is our answer. Some people bought some of the eco-friendly products that were available there. Right, so we have to write the letter. Write a letter to a pen friend asking about his or her plans for the year. Write a letter to a pen friend. So can we write the letter to Osanda? Can't. We can't. Can you write a letter to Ganidu? No. Okay, very clever answer. Because they are Sri Lankan friends. A pen friend means a friend from another country. So have you all got a name from a pen friend? Last week, not. Before that week, I told you, every one of you have to find a name of a pen friend. Do not wait until the exam question give. When the exam question give, you want to think, what is my pen friend's name? Don't do that. Term test එක වෙනකන් ඉන්න එපා pen friend නමක් දාගන්න. You have to think that now. And also I told you, do not take all the Korean, Japanese names, right? You should take a name of an English girl or a boy. You should take a name of English girls and boys names. If you are a girl, you can have pen friends boys, pen friend girls. Does not matter. In the class also, girls have girlfriends and also boys. If you are a boy, you can have a girl as a pen friend. It does not matter. You can have a boy. right? ඔයා girl කෙනෙක් කියලා අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම girl කෙනෙක්ම pen friend ඉන්න අවශ්‍ය no එහෙම එකක් නැහැ. In the class also we have different kinds of friends, right? We all sit together, we are friends. Since grade 1, grade 2, සමහර ළමයි Montessori කාලේ ඉඳලා යාළුවෝ අඳුරනවා like that. So you can have any friend. But remember, the friend, your pen friend must be of your age group. Your age group. හරියටම ඔයාගේ age එකම වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඔයාගේ age group එක. Your age group. Yasara, how old are you?
12.
12. So 11, 12, 13. You can have that age group. 11 years, 12 years or 13. You cannot have a pen friend of 15 years old. Their ideas are not matching with our ideas. 15 years, too big. And also you cannot have a pen friend of 7 years, 8 years. They are too small. They have baby ideas, not matching with our ideas, right? So we must have a pen friend of our age. Then we like same things. If you are 11 years old, you should have a pen friend of 11, 12. Now you all are 12 years old, so it is better 11, 12, 13. අපේ age group එකේම pen friend කෙනෙක් හොයාගත්තම අපිට තියෙන එක වගේ ideas, එක වගේ interests, කැමැත්ත. Right? We don't like dolls anymore. දැන් අපි dolls ලත් එක්ක play කරන්නේ නැහැ. car අරගෙන broom කියාගෙන පදින්න යන්නේ නැහැ. Now our interests are different. Right? With the age. The ඔයාගේ interest එක නෙමෙයි 18, 19 years old sister කෙනෙක්ට brother කෙනෙක්ට තියෙන. They have different ideas. Right? So when we have a pen friend, we would think of our age. You don't have to take a real pen friend, but we imagine. අපි හිතා ගන්නවා මෙන්න මේ වයසේ මෙන්න මේ රටේ මෙහෙම pen friend කෙනෙක් මට ඉන්නවා කියලා. right? දැනට අපි ඒව හිතාගෙන එකතු කරගෙන තියා ගන්නවා කරුණ ටික. ඒතකොට ආයේ term test එක ආවම ආපහු හිතන්න ඕනේ නැහැ කවුද මගේ pen friend කියලා. right? Okay, so let's write the letter. Nehan, who is your pen friend?
Rama.
Okay. Yes, a pen friend from India. I told you, India is okay. You can have Saraswati, Jamila, any Indian girl or boy. But I prefer if you choose English names. It's okay. You can have Indian friends. Right, never mind. Anyone else? Vagisha, who is your pen friend? Tom?
David.
David? Right, I think you have names.
Anna. George. Anna. George.
Kathy,
Frank.
Right.
Merlis.
Okay.
Merlis.
Right.
Rama.
Rama, okay. Because Nehan is insisting, dear Rama. We have to write the name and address all the things, right?
Sita.
So you can take, right, enough. Okay. So now we have a name. Very good. After that, there are few things we have to take important, right? There are some important things. When you write to a pen friend, you should write the address. How to write the address? Write your name, comma, and your address. Commas are important, right? Punctuation marks.
Write කරගන්නද?
Yes, you can copyright.
teacher grammar book එකේද?
No writing book. Full stop.
ඊට name එකට අපිට කැමති නමක් දාත හැකිද?
This name, you write your name. Come on. Write your name. Writing book. Write your name and your address.
ටීචර් මගේ සිග්නල් ටිකක් අවුල් වුණා මොකද්ද කරන්න කිව්වේ?
Okay, Papa Sola, take your writing book. We are going to write a letter, so take a new page and write your name. Pabasara Bhagya, write your address.
ටීචර්
Yes.
ටීචර් පොකුණට කියන තැනට මේ මොකද්ද ක්‍රමාව දෙන්නේ
Comma, yes, not full stop. Sri Lanka. When you are writing to a pen friend, you must write the country.
මොකද්ද කරන්න කිව්වේ?
Copyright in the writing book. Right? Remember that pen friend එක ලියනවා නම් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම country name එක දාන්න ඕන.
country name එක ලියලා මේ full stop එකක්ද තියන්නේ?
Yes, it's a full stop.
Okay.
And we should write the date. Right. I can see the new students who come to do their placement test to our class. When they write letters, maybe grade 11 class, some new students come. Then when they write the letter, they write the date. Last week, a student came to grade 9 class, new student, for the replacement test. She write the date. මං අහුවා පුතේ ඔයා ඉස්කෝලේ ඉංග්‍රීසි බුක් එකේ කොහමද ඩේට් එක දාන්නේ? ඉස්කෝලේ ඩේට් එක දාන්නේ නැහැ. ඉස්කෝලේ ඉංග්‍රීසි බුක් එකේ යා ඩේට් එක දාන්නේ නැලු. අනිත් බුද්ධ ආගම අනිත් පොත්වල මේ විදියටලු දාන්නේ. Yes, Buddhism, history, geography, civic, whatever your other subjects, you can write this date. This is the Sinhala pattern. But every day in our English class, we put the date in this way. Right? This is the English way. So when you write a letter, notice, whatever thing in English, you should write the English date. This is wrong. This is Sinhala pattern. The year, month and the date. No, cannot. You should write the English date. Date, month, year. Right? So remember that when you are writing a letter to your...
Teacher, 2021 13th of February කියලා ලිව්වත් හරි නේද?
Yes, actually it is a little long, right? ටිකක් දිග වැඩිනේ. Of course you can write that, but you can use this one, the short form.
Okay, teacher.
Right. So when you are writing a letter to a pen friend, always remember there are two important things. Write the country. Right? දැන් මෙතනින් ටීචර් තේරුම් ගන්නවා ළමයා ප්‍රශ්නේ හරියට තේරුම් ගත්තා. මේ ළමයා ලියන්නේ ශ්‍රී ලංකන් ෆ්‍රෙන්ඩ් කෙනෙක්ට නෙමෙයි. ශ්‍රී ලංකන් ෆ්‍රෙන්ඩ් කෙනෙක්ට අපි ලෙටර් එකක් ලියනවා නම් country name එක දාන්නේ පොකුණු විට full stop. pen friend කෙනෙක්ට අපි ලෙටර් එකක් ලියනවා නම් country name එක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම දාන්න ඕනේ. Right? The second thing is the date.
ඉතින් ටීචර් නම් අපේ රටේ අපිට pen කෙනෙක් ඉන්න පුළුවන් නේ.
That is out. Don't ask me that question. හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න. You cannot write a Sri Lankan friend's name. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා ප්‍රශ්නේ වැරදියට තේරුම් ගත්ත කෙනෙක් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ඔයා පොකුණු විට ඉන්නේ ඔයාගේ යාළුවා අනුරාධපුරේ ඉන්න පුළුවන්, but that is not practical. අපි pen friend කෙනෙක් කියන්නේ අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම පෑනේ මිතුරෙක්ට පිට රට ඉන්න යාළුවෙක්ට. Right? ඔයා ඒක ලියලා term test එකට ලකුණු කපා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Good. So Sri Lanka, then we write the date. Today is 13. This is yes, or you can write 13th of February. It's okay. මේ date දෙකෙන් කැමති ක්‍රමයකට ඔයාලට හුරු වෙන්න පුළුවන්. The both are correct. Yes, copywriting.
Excuse me, teacher. දැන් ආ ශ්‍රී ලංකා කියන දේ නම් date එකට යනකොට රූලක් අරින්නේ නැද්ද?
No, no, no. අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. You don't write the two ways. දෙකෙන් එකයි ලියන්නේ. Don't write two.
ඊයේ ඩේට් එක දාද්දි මේ හයිෆන් දාන්න නැතුව මේ full stop තියලා බලන්න.
Yes, you can write the dash or full stop. It's okay. All are computer patterns. You can write the hyphen, the dot, or the dash. All these are correct ways. Yes, doesn't matter, no problem. Right.
Excuse me teacher ඒ වුණාට සම්මත ක්‍රමයේදී ඉරක් ඇඳලා කරන එක නේද?
No, actually no. ඉරක් කියන්නේ මේ dash එකද hyphen එකද මන් දන්නේ, but in the computer
hyphen එක teacher.
Yes, it's okay. In the computer system all these three are correct. Yes, the dot, the dash, the hyphen, everything correct, and this also. Right. Now we take a line. Now we take a line. Right. Dear Ben, write your pen friend's name, comma. Okay, Buddhu Saranai, Devi Pihitai. Are there anything in an English letter?
No.
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 Buddhu Saranai, all those things are no. So we can start the letter with how are you? Again, one line down. How are you?
teacher ruling මුල ටිකක් කැඩලා නේද ලියන්නේ?
Yes, that is another question. In a computer system, we can follow the margin. Follow the margin means no space. ඉඩ තියන්නේ නැහැ. Right? So you can follow that pattern until your O-level exam. ඔයාගේ pupils book එකේ පේනවා ඇති පොඩි space එකක් තියලා තියෙනවා. නමුත් ඔයා ඉස්සරහට යද්දි I mean grade 10 11 class වලට යද්දි මේ ඔක්කොම margin එකට ගේන්නේ like the computer system. So practice from now on. දැන් ඉඳලාම practice වෙන්න ඒ ක්‍රමයෙන් එතකොට ඔයාලට grade 10 11 යද්දි ආපහු system එක මාරු කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. මෙතන පොඩි ඉඩක් තියලා පටන් ගන්න කියලා වැරද්දක් නැහැ. නමුත් ඉස්සරහට යද්දි ඔයාලට ඒක හදා ගන්න වෙනවා. දැන් ඉඳලාම ඔයා margin එකම follow කරන්න practice වුණොත් ආපහු ඉස්සරහට වෙනස් කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ.
Teacher, copywriting name Dodika.
Yes, copywriting. This one I do not give you to write yourself. I will give another homework for that. I will do that and another homework for you to do yourself. Right? ඔයාලට තනියම කරන්න වෙනම letter එකක් දෙනවා. මේ letter එක සම්පූර්ණ සිංහල English translation එකක් විදියට board එකේ මම දානවා. Right. Homework එක ඔයා තනියම කරන්න. How are you? Right, mama බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා I hope ඔයා හොඳින් කියලා. I hope you are keeping fine.
Excuse me teacher දැන් අපේ friend දැන් ඉංග්ලන්ඩ් වගේ රටක ඉන්නවා නම් අපි ඒ ලෙටර් එක ලියන කාලේ දැන් දෙසැම්බර් 25 දෙසැම්බර් 20 ගණන් වගේ නම් එතකොට අපිට මුලින් පටන් ගන්න Merry Christmas වගේ එකක් දාලා පටන් ගන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Of course you can. Merry Christmas, yes. But it is not in the center here. දැන් අපි බුදු සරණයි සිංහල letter එකක දාන්න center කරලානේ. But this one you are make greeting එක Happy New Year. But this is February, so we can't write that. If you have a Chinese friend, they are celebrating their New Year these days, then you can write that. But it's also here. Merry Christmas to you. Happy New Year to you, my dear friend. Everything we start here, not in the center.
Teacher, God bless you.
No, cannot. God bless you, no. That is, we are following the Sinhala pattern. ඒක ඔයාට අර අන්තිමට ඇඩ් කරන්න පුළුවන්. May God bless you ඒක ඔයාට අන්තිමට ඇඩ් කරන්න පුළුවන්, right? That's all. අපි ඒක දාමු අන්තිමට. Actually, some people in the other countries, they do not have a religion. Right? It's not that in Sri Lanka, everyone has a religion. Some are Buddhists, some are Christians, some are Muslim, Islam, some are Hindus. But in other countries, there are a lot of people. If we ask them, what is your religion? No, I don't practice any religion. They are not bad people, but they do not have a religion. They do not go to church. They do not go to other religious places. They just follow their way. හැමෝම ආගම් අදහන්නේ අනිත් රටවල් වල. දැන් ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ අපි හැමෝටම දෙමව්පියන්ගේ ආගම උපතින්ම එනවා. But in other countries, no. If your parents are Christians, you don't have to be Christian. අපි තමු age 20 21 වෙද්දී Asian country අපි තමු ලංකාවට එනවා. ලංකාවට ආවම මේ බුද්ධ ආගම දැකලා බුද්ධ ආගම ගැන පැහැදිලා ඔයක තේරුම් අරගෙන ඔයා බුද්දිස්ට් කෙනෙක් වෙනවා. No problem. ඔයාගේ parents are Christian. ඔයා බුද්දිස්ට්. Right? In the other countries, that is the pattern. ඔයාට ආගමක් නැතුව ඉන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා නරක කෙනෙක් නෙමෙයි. සාමාන්‍ය එදිනෙදා ස්ටඩි කරලා ජොබ් එකක් හොයාගෙන මැරි කරලා බබාලා හදාගෙන සාමාන්‍ය normal life එකක් ගෙනියනවා. කාටවත් කරදර කරන්න සත්තු මරන්න යන්න ඔය කියන ලොකු ලොකු දේවල් මුකුත් කරන්නේ තමන්ගේ life එක සාමාන්‍ය විදිහට ගෙනියන. හැබැයි church යන්නේ, temple යන්නේ, වෙන religious places වලට යන්නේ. එයාට ආගමක් නැහැ. Right? There are a lot of people in the world, not in our country. So, දැන් අපි pen friend ගේ religion එක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම දන්නවා, right? pen friend කියන්නේ අපි ගොඩාක් විස්තර යාගෙන letters වලින් දැනගෙන තියෙන නිසා එයාගේ ආගමේ හැටියට ඔයාලට wish කරන්න පුළුවන්, but not the beginning, at the end, අවසානයේට. Right. So, how are you? I hope you are keeping fine. දැන් අද මම මේ letter එක ලියන්නේ plans ගැන දැනගන්න new year එකට, right? So let's go to that. Today I am writing this letter. Today I am writing this letter to talk about our plans. To talk. කතා කරන්න. To talk about our plans. Today I am writing letter to talk about our plans for this year 2021.
Excuse me teacher අර මේ year කියන තැනයි 2021 කියන තැනයි මේ small hyphen එකක් දාන්න ඕනද?
Yes, yes. There is a connection. This year 2021 full stop. This year I am in grade 8. Sorry, this year I am in grade 8 and you are in form 3. FORM, Form 3.
ඊට ඒ රටවල ශ්‍රේණි ගියාද?
Sorry? What's your question?
ෆෝම් ගේගේ තේරුම මොකද්ද?
Yes. In the local schools, I mean Sri Lankan schools, we have from grade 1 to 13. But if you go to an international school, they do not have grades. In international schools in Sri Lanka also, they have P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, means primary. Primary 1, primary 2, primary 3, primary 4, primary 5. After that, they go to Form 1. Right? So they are in Form 1, Form 2, Form 3. So what is Form 3? What class is this?
8.
Grade 8.
Grade 8.
Yes, very
Grade
good.
8.
So you are in grade 8 and our pen friend is in F3 class, right? In Sri Lankan international schools also, they follow the international system. So they have the classes like this, right?
ඊට එතකොට මේ ශ්‍රේණි 10යි දෙනවල තියෙන්නේ.
Yes, after that, grade 11 means they are doing their O-level class. So it's O-level. It's O-level class. It's not F6 or grade 11. It's the O-level class. Right? After O-level, they will go to advanced level class, A-level class, A-level 1 and A-level 2. So no grades there. Right, this year I am in grade 8 and you are in Form 3. I hope මම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා හොඳට ස්ටඩි කරන්න මේ අවුරුද්දේ. I hope to study well and pass all my exams well. I will help my family and be a good son or daughter.
Teacher, good citizen කියලා දැම්ම.
No, you are not a citizen, Yasara. You are a small daughter. දැම්ම මම හොඳ පුරවැසියෙක් වෙන්න නෙමෙයි යන්නේ. We are talking about this year. මේ අවුරුද්ද ගැන අපි කතා කරන්නේ, right? Not another 10-15 years time ගැන නෙමෙයි කතා කරන්නේ. අපි කතා කරන්නේ මේ අවුරුද්දේ plan. මේ අවුරුද්දේ ඔයා හොඳ පුරවැසියෙක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේ අවුරුද්දේ ඔයා හොඳ දුවෙක් වෙනවා.
Teacher, good child කියලා දැම්ම.
Okay, but good daughter, you are a good daughter. හොඳ ළමයෙක්, child, yes. The family එකට හොඳ දුවෙක්, හොඳ පුතෙක් වෙනවා, right? We are talking about this year 2021. ලොකු අනාගතයක් ගැන නෙමෙයි කතා කරන්නේ. Right, so we are going to a new paragraph. One line down. Go to the margin. So, my dear friend, my dear friend, මොනවද ඔයාගේ plans? මොනවද ඔයාගේ plans? Lutika Binat, can you help me?
What are your plans?
Very good, thank you. What are your plans? What are your plans for this year 2021?
Teacher, this year කියලා
Of course you can write this year, for this year. So my dear friend, what are your plans for this year 2021? කරුණාකර මට පිළිතුරු ලිපියක් ලියන්න.
Teacher,
Yes.
මේ පිටු ඉඩ මදි වුණොත් ඊළඟ පිටුවට ගියර
One
කමන්න
next
නැත්නම්
page.
කොලයක්
Don't
කලවන්න
worry
teacher.
about that. You can take 2 pages. ඉඩ මදි වුණොත් next
Okay,
page
teacher.
යන්න. කරුණාකර මට පිළිතුරු ලිපියක් එවන්න.
Please send me a
Please reply my letter.
Please send me a reply letter.
Yes, please reply my letter. Yes, ඒක ටිකක් short වැඩි. එවන්න, please send me a reply letter. That is very good. Please send කරන්න මට. Please send me a reply letter. Please send me a reply letter. That's enough for our letter. We don't have to write a very big letter, right? 2-3 pages letter එකක් ලියන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. Here you can write any wishes. Any wishes. සුබ පැතුම් මෙතෙන්ට ඔයාට දාන්න පුළුවන්. What did you told me earlier? මොකක්ද ඔයගලන් ගාව කලින් තිබුණේ?
God bless you.
May God bless. God bless, you know, may. May God bless you. God capital. May God bless you. This is the exclamation mark.
G-O-D නේද God?
Teacher, God කියනකොට double
Double O එනවද?
Oh,
Teacher,
good. No,
G-O-D
sorry,
නේද?
sorry.
G-O-D.
G-O-D, yes. Sorry.
Give my kind regards all at home.
ඒක දානවා නම් යසාර මේකට කලින් දාන්න ඕනේනේ.
Teacher, best wishes.
Best wishes, of course, very good one, but you cannot write both. දෙකම ලියන්න බෑ. You can write only best wishes, yes, very good. You cannot write both, write only one wish. Right, so let's go to the ending. Now you have to write your name. Again, one line down. I don't have space here. මට මෙතන පෙන්නන්න විදියක් නැහැ. රූලක් අරින්න.
Teacher, ඒකට විතර රූල් ටික වුණාම අනිත් පිටුවට යන්න පුළුවන්ද?
ඒක විතරක්ම නම් ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ ඔයාට like this. අපි තුමාට මේ සම්පූර්ණ පිටුව මෙතනින් ඉවරයි කියලා දැන් ඔයා මෙතෙන්ටම ලියාගෙන ආවා නම් මෙතනින්ම කරගෙන යන්න. It's okay. With love, Nekama, Nehan. Full stop. Right? මේ ඔයාගේ පිටුව අවසාන වෙන තැන. If you are in the new page or if you have any other lines, තව lines තියෙනවා නම් මේක ලස්සනටම කරගෙන යන්න.
Teacher, මගේ my God
මේ
bless you එතන ඉවර වුණා. ඊළඟ පිටුවට
පහළ එක line එකක්වත් නැද්ද?
නෑනේ මිස්.
Then go to the next page. Don't worry. It's okay. With love, comma,
Teacher.
Nehan, full stop. පොඩි line එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන්, පොඩි design එකක්, but not too much. Right? වැඩිපුර බෑ.
Teacher, දැන් අර teacher කිව්වා නේද teacher මේ අර please send me a reply letter කියලා. Teacher, මේ please post me a reply letter කියලා තිබුණා.
Of course, this is not the only way. There are lot of ways to write a letter to a pen friend. Lot of ways, right? You can have lot of ideas, lot of wishes, lot of startings, පටන් ගන්න ක්‍රම, අවසන් කරන ක්‍රම, body letter, body එක. You can write lot of ideas, right? විවිධ ක්‍රම වලට letter එක ලියන්න පුළුවන්. This is just a small example. Right? When you are writing your letter, you can use lot of ideas. It's okay.
ටීචර්
This is just an example.
මේ with love මේ ලියනකොට ඒකදී වට කවන්න නැද්ද මේ කොනෙන් පොතේ?
ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාලට පහලින් රූලක් ඉඩ මදි නම් ඉස්සරහින්ම ලියන්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් පහළ රූලට ගන්න.
නෑ මිස් එහෙම නෙමෙයි. මේ දැන් ඔය මාජින් එක තියෙන්නේ.
Yes, margin එකට මැදට හෝ එහා කෙරවලට ගන්න බෑ. You follow the margin.
Okay teacher.
This is the margin. Right, now take a ruler, color pen, black color, red color, and draw the margin. Or a double page ගියා නම් double page අහු වෙන විදියට rectangle එක අඳින්න like this. Draw the rectangle. Yes, light blue, purple, you can take any color. Draw the margin, rectangle. No design, no pattern, no rectangle.
highlight එක
If you use a highlight, use the thin side, not the thick side. Highlight එකේ thin පැත්ත use කරන්න. ලොකු මහත පොල් පිටක් වගේ margin එකක් දාන්න බෑ. A thin one. Any color. If you have used double page, then use the double page margin, right? It's not one. දෙපැත්තට වෙනම margin අදින්න. Dasuni, do you have a question?
No, teacher.
ටීචර් බෝඩ් එක පේන්නේ.
Sorry. If you use a highlight, use the thin side. Highlight එකේ තුනී පැත්ත, හීනි පැත්තෙන් අදින්න, right? මහත පැත්තෙන් නෙමෙයි.
මොකද්ද ටීචර් කරන්න කිව්වේ?
Draw the margin. Margin එක border එක කොටුව අඳින්න. It's a rectangle. Sehas, can you show me again? Sehas, paragraph අතර rule ඇරියේ නැද්ද?
ටීචර් රූල් අරලා තියෙන්නේ.
පොත චුට්ටක් උඩට අල්ලන්න බලන්න. No, don't. Everyone know. I just see Sehas book only one. Yes, thank you. Right, Sehas. Okay, thank you. Right, I am not going to check all the books.
Teacher.
No, don't. Enough. Was on the right. Good. Thank you. Let's go to the new lesson. Right, homework there.
මොහොරිට ගෝල සිම්බෝල බින්දසු ඔය ටීචර් මේ ගානේ ගානේ අර මෙහි ආයක දවසක් කරා මොකුළු පාට ගෙනත් ගෙනත් දානවා
Go
කියලා
to your homework book.
ඒ ගානේ දු මොකද්ද කියනවද මට පායලා ගන්න මං
Homework book.
හරි වටගෙන ගියා ඔයා
Silent. Your microphones are on. Pabasara, right. Homework book.
ටීචර් මේ homework book එකේම ලියාගන්න මම දැන් කටුපොතක ලියාගන්න.
You can write in the homework book. Yes. Write the question in the homework book. Write a letter to your pen friend about your new class.
टीचर खाकर मैं क्या को कौन मिला में चाहिए
Right, so this letter, one page enough. You don't have to write a very big full scap letter. No, just one page, maybe 2-3 extra lines. Page එකට අඩු වෙන්න බෑ, right? අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම one full page තියෙන්න ඕන. එතනින් එහාට this is very easy topic, my classroom. So you can write one page for 3-4 lines. That's enough. One page වලට අඩු වෙන්න බෑ.
ටීචර් මේ අවුරුද්දේදී අපිට වෙල්ලම්පුර කියලා දෙනවද?
No, why? Who said that? That is an වැල්ලකුරු කියන්නේ old pattern එකක්. They are not in use either. Actually handwriting also not in use. Now we do everything in computer type, right? ඔයාගේ project එකක්, assignment එකක් හැමදේම computer type print out එකක් දෙන්න ඕනේ. It's not handwriting.
CR පොත්වල පිටුවක් තියෙන්න ඕනේද?
No, not. I mean the ordinary book. This one. This book, one page and maybe 2-3 extra lines, right? That's enough. ඔයාලගේ කැමැත්තට අපි තම for pleasure සතුට විනෝදයට වැල්ලකුරු ඉගෙන ගන්න, but in the class I don't do that, right? අර අපේ පාලි සංස්කෘත වගේ තමයි වැල්ලකුරු දැන් භාවිත කරන්නේ. Okay, so let's go to the new lesson, winged friends. What is this lesson about?
A lot of flightless birds.
A lot of flightless birds. Right, very good. It's about a lot of flightless birds. Flightless birds, can they fly?
No.
No.
No, flightless
No.
less means nothing. Okay, I will erase the board. Winged friend, what are wings?
Piyapat.
Piyapat, very good. So we are talking about the friends who have wings, right? We are talking about the friends who have wings. Reading today, who is going? Jeevaka and Yasit are good friends. One day they watched a very interesting TV programs on birds at Jeevaka's house. Right, so two boys will read today lesson. Two boys. Osanda is Yasit.
Miss Ma එක දවසක් read කරා.
Really? Okay, then I will give to another one. Of course. I want Pasindu. Do you have a good connection? Pasindu?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Pasindu is Yasit and Hirun read Kala. Netuka is Jeevaka. Udeshika, yes, you can leave Udeshika. Right. Watch the recording later. Speak louder. Start. Right. Sorry. Right. So question number 4. Not able to fly. Able means can. Puluwan. Not able, cannot. Number 5. a bird or animal that travels regularly. Regularly means nirantarava, niraturuvam. Travel regularly from one part of the world to another. World, lokaya eka part eka කොටසක ඉඳලා වෙන part එකකට වෙන කොටසකට travel කරන කෙනෙක්. Right. If you have any other difficult words, you can ask me. Then let's go to the writing book. Unit 2.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Bill කියන්නේ හොට නේද?
Yes, very good. Bill එක කියන්නේ හොට. Beak කියලාත් කියනවා හොටට. Winged friends. Activity 2.2. Activity 2.2a. Write the question. Write the question, then mark T or F. Right, wrong, done, bad. No right, wrong marks. You have to write T or F. When you are doing question number 2, you can match. What match කරන්නත් පුළුවන් නැත්නම් correct meaning එක opposite. ඉදිරියෙන් ලියන්නත් පුළුවන්. Right, you can match or write the correct meaning opposite. I want water. Right.
Theory 2 කියන එක තියගොරක් දැම්මම ඇති නේද?
ටීචර් B එකත් කරන්න ඕනිද?
Yes, of course. You can match or write the meaning opposite.
ටීචර් ඒ පාර්ට් එකේ අපි වාක්‍ය ලියන්නත් ඕනේ නේද?
Of course, you should write all the questions. Write the full sentence, then mark T O F.
ටීචර් කාගු කියන බර්ඩ්ගේ සිංහල මීනින් එක කියන්නකෝ.
It's not a Sri Lankan bird, so we do not have a Sinhala name.
ඕකේ ටීචර්.
It's a bird from other country. Just like Robin Kurulla කියන්නේ අපේ රටේ එක්කෙනෙක් නෙමෙයි ඇමරිකන් එක්කෙනෙක්. නිසා අපි කියන්නේ තේ නමම තමයි රොබින් කුරුල්ලා. එයාගේ නේම් එක රොබින්.
Teacher,
Yes.
Vagisha done.
Right, very good. Rangi, did you write dictation, Rangi?
ටීචර් මම දැනුයි ආවේ.
Okay, right.
අක්කට පන්ති
Right, Rangi. Okay.
Teacher Mihini is finished writing.
Right. You can raise your hands, right, everyone? When you are finished writing, raise your hands. Right. Rangi, we are in activity 2.2. Pupils book activity 2.2.
Teacher Asara finish.
Yes, raise your hand.
Excuse me teacher.
Yes,
දැන්
Nima.
අර activity 2.2 එකේ B part එකේ දැන් පළවෙනි එක crest නේ. එතකොට අපි A කියලා දාලා crest කියලා ලියලා මේ ඉස්සරහින් පොඩි ඉරි කෑල්ලක් ගහලා ඒකට අදාළ උත්තරේ ලිව්වට කමක් නැද්ද?
Yes, it's all right. You can write the meaning opposite or you can match. Opposite means
එතකොට
idiri.
teacher අර ඉරි කෑල්ලක් ගහලා ලිව්වොත් වැරදිද?
You mean the hyphen?
Yes teacher.
Yes, can.
Finish teacher.
Yes, raise your hand. if you are writing, pen down just for a minute, because I want to give you some homework. For in our grammar tute, for next week, we have to mark future tense also. But for next week homework, let's do present continuous tense.
teacher grammar book එකේද?
Yes, in the grammar tube, isn't the present continuous tense? Right, you can take examples from your grade 6 books, 7 books, and is a verb by ing. Example, boys are making kites. Boys are not making kites. Are boys making kites? Grandpa is listening to the radio. Grandpa is not listening to the radio. Is grandpa listening to the radio? Right? Present continuous tense. දැන් මේ වෙලාවේ අපි කරන දේවල්. Anupa is throwing the ball. Anupa is not throwing the ball. Is Anupa throwing the ball? Right? So that is present continuous tense. Yeah.
ටීචර් එතකොට activity 1.2 නේ 2.2 කියන එක දැන් සාකච්ඡා කරලා නැද්ද?
Actually, we don't have time, no?
Excuse me, teacher.
Some of the friends are still writing. Tavindu, are you finished writing?
මිස් ලබන සතියෙන් සාකච්ඡා කරමු. අපි leave කරමු.
teacher future tense කරනවද?
No,
Goodbye,
today we do we have time to mark? That's why.
මිනිත්තු 3ක් තියෙනවා.
Goodbye teacher.
teacher last week එකේ දුන්නා නේද? simple past tense එකේ homework එක.
Didn't we mark simple past tense?
No, teacher.
ඉස්ත විනාඩි 4ක් තියෙනවා.
Didn't we mark simple past tense?
No teacher.
teacher.
No teacher.
teacher mark කරේ present tense විතරයි.
එතකොට දුන්නා.
teacher present tense විතරයි mark කළේ.
Okay, okay. Right. So next week, we will not do the pupils book, and we will mark simple past tense, future tense, and present continuous tense. That means we have to mark 30, 90 sentences. So it will take 2 hours. Right? So, right. It's okay. Next week.
future tense කරන්න ඕනේද?
Yes. Didn't I give future tense homework?
මේ සතියේ කලින්
No teacher future tense දුන්න. future tense නෑ මිස් ගෙදර වැඩ.
Okay, okay.
කරන්න ඕනේ ගෙදර ටිකයි මුලින්ම කියන්න ඕනේ.
Yes, yes. Right, you can write your homework somewhere. Homework for this week, dictation, 12 words. Letter. Friend, in the homework book. Grammar, future tense, and present
මිස් ඔය ඇති මිස්.
continuous. Yes, that's all. Yes.
teacher
ලබන්නදී හැම homework එකක්ම බලනවද?
Yes, next week I will mark homework only. I will not do the pupils book because we have to cover all these things, right? හැමදාම homework බලන්න තු ඉස්සරහට යන්න බෑ. So next week I mark homework, complete everything. If we have time, only then do the pupils book.
teacher.
teacher ඔක මේ homework book එකේ ලිව්වත් කමක් නැද්ද?
But no, grammar. Where did you write the present tense? Is it in the homework book?
Yes,
No teacher grammar book.
Grammar book, right? That's good.
teacher teachers and ටික group එකට දානවා teacher.
Okay.
Okay teacher.
teacher bye.
Yes.
Bye, teacher.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Welcome.
Goodbye, teacher. Thank
Bye,
you,
teacher.
application ටික දානවද?
Yeah, sure. I will do now.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Goodbye, have a nice day.
Goodbye. Yes, leave.